Hey, welcome back to yet another video, and we are going to talk about FundedNext futures. FundedNext futures is really good. I've been trading it for the past 3 weeks, and of course I've come to give my review. Well, I'm a CFD trader, all Forex you can call it. I trade Forex, but mainly gold. And I decided to transform to futures because of various reasons. And the main one was a losing streak. You know, I was losing, my gold was just skyrocketing, and I was losing my mind. So I decided to try futures a little bit. But one thing that I've failed to understand is why futures is not yet prominent in Africa. One of the reasons is most of the platforms that we use to trade futures are not there in Africa. And that is really tough, because I asked people that are there if they can log into these platforms, and they cannot. So whoever is in the industry, they should try to rectify that. People in Africa can't trade futures really well, but it is a good place to be. So I started with FundedNext futures 3 weeks back, and I started my challenge actually like 2 weeks back. I started my challenge and it was going well. I only had one task to do: make 500 a day for 5 days, and I've passed the challenge. And I was on track to that. 4 days in a row, and I was good. And then the 5th day came to make the last $400, and bro, I lost my mind. That is what happened. So it happens in both sides. It happens in futures, it happens in Forex. That is why people keep on saying it is the trader that you should fix. Before we proceed with the video, I wanted to share with you that I have discount codes for FundedNext, futures, and CFDs, and also links in my description if you want discounts, crazy discounts for you, because we want to save money when trading. The main point is saving money. Do not overspend. Do get whatever discount you can. And my discount, which is Joseph for CFDs, Forex, whatever you're going to trade that, and then Jose for futures traders. Those who want to venture into futures, my code is Jose. You'll get a good discount. So, and also it will support this channel, and it will support you too. So use my codes, use the link in the description, and let us see what happens. I experienced it firsthand, and I had traded and I was left with 400, but then I came back down. And if I'll show you the futures account right now and where it is. So ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, this is TradeOvet, and this is my futures account. As you can see, it is 51,000, and I'm left with 1,500 to accomplish this. That is what I'm left with. So those of you that are not familiar with this dashboard, it is easy to predict. Like you can see, we saw gold was bouncing off this, and it is proving to bounce off this also. But that is basically what is going on. Let me see this other account. Okay. Also, this account is just stagnant like this, but you get the picture. This is what futures does. Also, there is a trick that you can trade several accounts at once. You put them into the main, like I named it main, and these two accounts, if I take a trade on this one, it can easily go onto both accounts. As you can see, that is the beauty of trading futures. That's why you see people with 5 accounts trading one thing, right? Just take one profitable trade and it multiplies 5 times. That is the best thing I've seen with futures, I think. You trade one account and it multiplies 1 time. So as you can see, today I've made like only 400, but it is still a challenge phase, right? So if it was a funded account, I would be jubilating, but we are still trying to figure out how to get funded with futures. This is the account that I've said I'll show you. Let us continue with the video. Before we proceed with the video, these are the two accounts that I have with FundedNext Futures, and this is the main one that I started. As you can see, I've not yet hit my profit target. I've not yet hit my profit target, which is 2,500, and I've met the consistency rule, right? Because me with 500, I'm like, okay, I'm good, but I've not yet hit my profit target. As you can see, this is the dashboard for futures. Maximum loss limit, I'm still good. Daily loss limit, I'm okay. Consistency rule, I've met it, but I would not meet it if I make like a 2,000, right? On my futures account, it would be hard to make that. So I just limit it, but that is something you can take away. And time remaining for end of day loss limit to be calculated. This is the time that is left, 6 hours. Yep, that is basically it. Now, all we can say, if I'm to stick to the 500 plan, I'm left with 3 days to go, but it is not that bad. So we've seen gold skyrocketing, and I talk about gold because it is what I trade solely. I concentrated on that pair, gold USD, and I'm good, bro. I'm good. So the things about FundedNext futures, the main thing that futures, why people shy away from futures is the consistency rule. It is tough. It is a tough rule, but if you know what you want and you know you're calm, it is easy to get what you need, right? Because consistency rule means you're not going to make more than this in this particular time, right? And that's why people fail it. Because if you're on a 50K account per se, some days you make 2,000, other days you make $400, another day you make 4K. So there you don't need a consistency rule, especially the two-step phase. But in futures, they have the consistency rule, and you cannot make 3,000 today on a 50K account. That's what I'm explaining. And then you make 200 another day, and then like this. So for me, what I decided to tackle this consistency rule is like, if I get to 500, I'm done for the day. 500, I'm done for the day. Because I wanted to pass the challenge, right? And the profit target is 2,500. So that will divide into 5 days. If you make 500 for 5 days straight, you've passed your challenge. Second phase, right? That is, it has only one phase. But bro, I reached there, and of course I had to go back, and now I'm trying to rebuild again. So that is what happens. The good thing with FundedNext, you pay a one-time fee, and you trade. You pay one-time fee and trade your account for the longest. But one thing is, you don't have to leave it dormant for over 5 days. I don't know if it is 5 days or what, but you have to keep it active and trade it. They don't give you 30 days, I think, because whenever I leave maybe 5 days or 3 days, they send me a message. Do not lose your account. Trade. So I keep on trading, right? That is mainly what I wanted to come and talk about futures, and mostly about FundedNext futures, right? It is interesting. I wasn't yet in the field of futures, but we've seen most YouTubers, most influencers hyping the futures space, and I've experienced it myself. It is much easier to trade. It is calm. For Forex and CFDs, what I've done, I've decided to like more of swing trade. It is intraday trading, but it is like swing. You wait for a position like for 7 hours, then you take the position, right? Because I realized less is more in trading. If you do this, you make a loss, do another one, it's too much clutter. So I decided to be calm and take good setups only. If they win, they win. If they don't, they don't. That's the way trading is. So that is on the Forex side. But for futures, I see a mini trade, I enter it, I get 500, I'm good for the day. That is the difference. So I hope you guys are doing okay, especially the people that are trading. I know you must be confused at the moment. These prop firms, a lot of people bashing them. This one is not doing this one is not paying out. But I'll keep on telling you that concentrate, work on your trading, and prop firms are going to pay out. They are going to pay you out. If you see a lot of people that are complaining, try to research. Most cases they show the trades they took, they show what they did and what the prop firm tells them that the rule they broke. So you first go deep and see, okay, what did this person do? Why did they, eliminate their account? So for me, for the prop firms I've traded with, I've had good experience with them because I trade within their rules. I do not over risk. I do not do anything like that. So, but anything can happen, right? Anything can happen. So I'm not like dismissing away people with genuine concerns about prop firms. Some people have concerns about prop firms, and others are smooth sailing the ship. So yeah, but I hope most of the traders are out there. Where do we run to if we are traders in Africa and we want to trade futures? If there is anybody that has any idea, if you're in Africa and you can access the futures platforms, please let me know. But this video is about FundedNext futures. I'll do other videos talking about different things, trading, Forex, futures. But the main thing is concentrate and study. I've even because my strategy before was not working really well. I had to change again, into not change, but have this strategy and then have a second one, and then look at the charts. So that is what I've been doing, and it has been going all right. It has been going okay. We are looking at trading as something we can have for the future. We are not just here for January or February or March or April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. No, we are here for the long run. For years, we are going to be trading, and maybe we shall be making YouTube videos talking to traders out there, because it does get better. When I started trading, I started, of course, with a broker, the FBS. I would put, of course, you start with a demo. You put I would put like 500, maybe 1,000, and then trade it little by little. When I saw that I'm profitable, I put in 100, 200. You trade it up to 500, then you blow it in one day. You trade, 300 to 900, you blow it in a day. That was the journey. Then I saw prop firms. I bought a 5K account. I was like, okay. And in all this, a job is important, because this is what you're using to learn. This is the tuition you're using to pay. And the skill develops over time, right? You get the skill and you master the skill. And of course, let no one lie to you. As long as you spend time on the charts and you keep improving, you are going to get there. You're going to get better. Losses are there, but they are more calculated when you start getting some experience. They are more calculated. You don't do things off emotions. You know that this is my strategy, this is my plan. I enter, I win or I lose, and that's it. That's how the market does. You just have to increase your probability of winning, right? But I want to thank you guys for watching the videos. I want to thank you for subscribing to the channel, and I'll definitely see you in the next video. But keep it locked here, keep it trading. Trade whatever you trade: gold, silver, Forex pairs, futures, Forex, whatever you trade. Keep it on that, because the future is bright for trading. The future is really bright. Do prop firms. If you can have a personal account, do that too. If you have both, it will be easier for you not to lose your mind, right? But wait for the perfect setups and take your good setups, and everything will fall in place, I promise you. And do not forget, God is the mastermind of our lives. It is through Him that we shall be fulfilled in life. So keep it locked on this channel, and do not forget to pray, to trade, and be a good person generally. Just be a good person. I think I do not talk about this enough, but being a good person has a lot of advantages. Just be a good person, help whenever you can, then don't help if you can't. Wish people well, because no one is going to be here forever. Wish people well. Enjoy life. Life is amazing, right? Enjoy life, trade, do whatever you like, talk to people you like. It is easy. This is how life is supposed to be. But for traders, you have to lock in, guys. Lock in, improve every day. Try to better yourself every day. And with that, we shall close off this video with wishing you good trading days ahead, and please just keep improving. Peace out. Bye.